In this video, I'll show you how to unlink GCash from Facebook Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your phone and tap your profile picture to open your settings. From there, look for the Payments section. Meta's Messenger Help Center says you can manage your linked GCash number from that area. Next, tap Edit GCash. This will open the screen where your linked GCash account or number appears. Scroll to the bottom, then tap Remove to disconnect it from Messenger. Meta says you can add or remove your GCash number from Meta at any time. After that, confirm the removal if Messenger asks you to verify the action. Once it's removed, your GCash number should no longer be linked to Messenger for that payment connection. If you don't see the same menu, make sure your Messenger app is updated because app layouts can change. And if your concern is a recurring charge or an online payment connection, GCash also says you can request help unlinking your account from another app through the GCash Help Center. That's how to unlink GCash from Facebook Messenger. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.